Super impressed with this kennel. Oliver, hop in. Get in your bed. Get in, baby. Get in. Get in. Good boy. Super thoughtfully designed. This took my 16-year-old son about 4 minutes from start to finish to get this out of the box and assemble it. No tools required. It literally is folded and you just basically unfold it and it snaps together, I think, in 2 pieces. Some really cute detail here. So there is a pin right here that you can pull, and you can actually swivel these bowls to be on the inside or the outside of the kennel, which I think is just a wonderful design. Trying to do this one-handed though. Let's see, there we go. Another really cute thing, it comes with this little dog bone placard, and it's got little magnets so you can personalize. It has chalk so you can write the dog's name. I will probably do my own vinyl stickers. But it's beautiful. It's a piece of furniture, and I actually have it in my entryway, and have put some things on top to make it look kind of like an end table or a coffee table. So super happy. Very nice product.
Una niña vuelve también y la busca. La primera fue en Prado.